Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Sudarshan Gaurkar, MBBS MD Dermatology, a practicing dermatologist, cosmetologist, and trichologist from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. As we are sailing through this pandemic of COVID-19, we are taking lot of precautions to avoid the infection. Like we are using the face mask, we are using the gloves, we are using sanitizers, and we are using the soaps and hand wash to wash our hands. While we are taking these precautions, we must not forget to take care of our skin also, because as you know, we are washing our hands frequently with soaps and hand washes, and also we are using sanitizers which contain more than 70% of alcohol. These kind of chemicals reduce the normal protective surface lipids, which leads to dry, itchy and fissured skin, which leads to dermatitis or hand eczema. People who are already having any skin condition or dry skin or atopic tendency are more prone to develop these kind of hand eczemas. Atopic individuals are those who already have a dry and very sensitive type of skin. So any irritant or any contact allergen leads to eczema very easily in these kind of patients. Hand eczema is a major complaint worldwide and it is very frequently occupational disorder. Hand eczema can be exogenous, that is due to external factors. It can be endogenous, that is due to internal factors, or it can be a combination of both the factors. Use of hand gloves is also a common risk factor to develop hand eczema. Wet work, chemical exposure, powdered gloves, increased duration of the gloves wearing can increase the risk of developing hand eczema. Occupations associated with hand eczema include healthcare workers like doctors, nurses and hospital staff. Also, persons involved in cleaning industry or cleaners. Then food industry people like food handlers, food processing units and food delivery boys. Also, hairdressers are also more prone to the hand eczema. Now let us come to how to prevent this hand eczema development. First is you should use a good quality soap, that is grade 1 soap, which contains more than 76% of total fatty material. Avoid harsh soaps and detergents for hand washing. Only wash your hands when you are working outside or when you are coming to home from outside, and there is no need to wash your hands very frequently when you are inside the house. Use of sanitizers should also be limited and frequent use of sanitizers should be avoided. Only use them when you are outside the home and there is no facility to wash your hands. Otherwise, washing with the soap is the ideal. Due to repeated use of these soaps and sanitizers, there is loss of water from the outermost layers of the skin, that is stratum corneum. This leads to strippage of good lipids that hold the skin barrier function. This can lead to dryness and eczema. So there is a need to replenish this moisture inside the skin. So use of good quality moisturizer after washing your hands or using sanitizers is also very essential. The moisturizer use should be of good quality, it should stay on the hands and it should contain natural moisturizing factors to replenish your dry skin. Ideal moisturizer should be fragrance free, allergen free, sensitizer free, should stay on the skin for longer time, should serve a preventive as well as treatment option in the development of eczema. It should contain natural moisturizing factors like ceramides and other factors. The contents of moisturizers can be ceramides, aloe vera, different butters, esters, fatty acids, lanolin, mineral oils, and dimethicone. Keeping a bottle of moisturizer beside sanitizer or hand wash can serve as a reminder for applying moisturizer. So friends, stay safe, stay home. Let's break the chain of corona and also take care of our skin. Thank you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.